Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Twitter on the daily time frame using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so Twitter, daily chart, 63 cents up, a little bit up after hours. Oh, what was it? 18 million traded on the day and 1.87% green. So we got back above this trend line. I talked about this trend line when we were hitting it here, and it came right back in, shot back up, came right back in. We did have the 200, the trend line, and the 750 retrace. So a lot of resistance here, as well as the $34 even number. So we got above. You know, instead of dealing with the resistance, guys, they gap it up. They push it into the next level, which is 34.42. It just barely held there. Next big area for Twitter will be this one as well. I want to see the Friday close on this one, guys, the weekly close. Right now it looks like it's breaking out, kind of like it did here. Came right back down. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days up into more resistance. We are still in a stronger stance above the MAs, so I like that. But a lot of times we'll get this break above, everyone gets excited, clicks over, and comes right back in. So let's see what the overall markets give us tomorrow, guys. The IWM, the Qs, if they keep grinding, this should keep grinding just like the last couple of days. Every day, guys, we've been getting a gap up on the SPY. Gap up and go, gap up and go. Yesterday was a little bit choppy, but if we keep getting the gap ups and goes, these things will continue higher, period. Earnings season on deck. That will be a big one. Do we run up into earnings and then 50-50 shot, or do we pull back into earnings with a 50-50 shot? If it continues higher, watch for 35.23. That will be big. And then if it comes down, then you're looking at the moving averages, pretty much 33.45, and then the 32-ish area, 31.81 right in here, even with this low pivot and the 50% retrace down in there. So right now, looks pretty good. If you're bullish, just tighten that stop. And let's see if it could stay above the moving average, stay above these pivots, because right now it's looking like it would possibly be a trend line breakout. But we're going to see, because a lot of resistance here and a lot of resistance there. This is one, like I said, boom, up and straight back down. But look at the action in this one, guys. There's really no direction right now. Even when it chops up like this, hits a certain area, comes right back in. You're still coming down from this higher pivot, down, sideways. You're still in this channel going up and down, up and down. Looks like it's about to break out, but still got to get back above that 35.23 and then ultimately 37.14 with the gap window, and then possibly higher. Maybe this is the time, guys, where this thing runs. I don't know. I'm just following the charts, and right now it's not bad. I want to see what it does on the weekly. Everyone's getting excited. You know, it's really not. Still, see how it's from this high pivots, it's down sideways in this range. And now looking at the weekly, you're in this inside bar. This thing's huge. You got to get above 35.70 and then the 35 or 37.14. 35.70 will be huge. Man, it looks, but on the weekly, it looks a little bit different. You're still inside this bar too. So 35.23, big area, 37.14 if you're bullish. If you're bearish, you want to see this thing just click over and come right back in. Or better yet, Friday's close, come right back in and close somewhere around the 33. If it does that, then possibly more selling. So again, ER coming up, anything's possible. Probably in the next couple of weeks, maybe month for this one. I'm not sure. I haven't really searched around yet. For earnings really starts next week, so we'll be in full bloom. Rocking and rolling these markets and seeing what it gives us. Right now, light volume on the SPY, so be careful with that. Seems to be just gapping up and grinding every day on China trade news, so have that in the back of your head. And let's see what this thing gives us tomorrow. But right now, big area. Let's see what it gives us in the Friday or weekly close. All right, guys, thanks again for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe down here in the bottom right-hand corner, and let's see what we get in the next couple of days. And then hopefully we get some direction in these markets, but with the jobs number coming up on Friday, who knows, another wild card. Keep your position small. Don't be going crazy. A lot of news driving these markets, and you don't want to get it caught on a short and they're squeezing it, or even a long and they're smashing it. So keep them small, or just kind of hang out, watch what's going on, and let's see what it gives us on the Friday close. All right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.